To add Samsung keyboard language in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select Samsung keyboard settings, and then tap language and text. Select manage input language, and then scroll down. On available language, tap download icon to add a keyboard language. For example, please wait until process complete. Okay, here your language was added in the Samsung keyboard, and then to enable you just tap the language you want until blue. Sorry, maximum. Tap switch until blue, and then to use language in Samsung keyboard, open up the keyboard, and then just swipe space to the left or to the right to change language. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.